You can have a lot of fun in your worm bin with a $50 Wi-Fi microscope that talks to an app on your cell phone. This is my second one from Amazon after I dropped and broke the first one. I'll show you some things I've captured with it. First, let's take a look at some red wiggler or Indian blues cocoons about the diameter of a toothpick. At 100x, you probably wouldn't see the babies floating around inside, but at 1000x, they show up quite well. With a microscope, you can get a good view of the coloring and may even get a candid shot of one doing its private business. This one's chasing its tail inside a bottle cap and not real comfortable in the bright light, but I finally got the mug shots I was waiting for. Thanks for watching, and I hope you got some ideas.